to hook up the
Good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel. This is for my YouTuber. I'm going to show you how to hook up the Joystick, X Arcade joystick to my PlayStation. Stay tuned. Here we go.
All right. Good morning. First thing I'm going to talk about is this big, beautiful thing right here called the X Arcade. Once you get this X Arcade unit, you want to try to hook it up to your PS4. Couple things you have to do first. One thing is it comes with this multi-plug cord here. It has a purple end and then a regular end that would go into the PS4. It connects right here, the same thing you would do if you was hooking up a computer. It has the same port back that you connect these cord here, and then you have this here. What you want to do with this cord is the right-hand side of the PS4. The right-hand side of the PS4, you want to plug this into that port on the right-hand corner right there. The purple one will still be hanging, so it doesn't really go to anything right now. So you can just let that go. I can tell you right now, you'll see that the power light will come on the Xbox, letting you know that it is connected. On the back here, it has a power button also that allows you to cut the unit on and off. And you'll see that when you push that button on, the red light comes on the end. That lets you know that you are connected. The X Arcade will not operate on especially Pac-Man and other games unless you have one of your joysticks, which is used as a central component to the game. So you also have to take this joystick here and plug it into the middle one of the PS4, into the middle of the PS4, and this acts as a terminal or like a game unit. You cut that on. That's on now. The X Arcade is on now. You go to your setting on your television, which is PS4. You power it on. You make sure your unit is on. And with this controller first, you got to make sure it's connected to you. And okay, and now the Pac-Man game's up. You can put that down because you don't need. You can put that down because you don't need that controller anymore. What you do now is when you come over to the X Arcade game, you have rows of buttons on the top here. You have 1 player, 2 player, and of course you have a couple rows of buttons. If you hit this first button up top, it should activate the game. And once that comes on, you're now operating the X Arcade. Now you're playing. And that's pretty much all it is to really get connected to this thing.
I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching the X Arcade hookup.